Hi, so today I'm going to show you all how to set up a WhatsApp account. This video is a very basic video, and I'm pretty sure most of you would know how to set it up, but this is actually for a new Android user who's trying to set up WhatsApp on their own and who are trying to figure it out. It's actually not difficult at all, so don't be afraid. Technology is there to help us, so don't worry about it. If you follow through this step-by-step process, you would be able to configure WhatsApp by yourself. So first you need to go to Play Store. If I'm in your Android phone, click on the Play Store and you need to search WhatsApp. When you search on WhatsApp, you would get the application would appear in your Play Store. Please check from the source the application is from, because there are third-party applications as well, so you must be careful and you need to ensure that you install the proper application. So you click on Install and select Accept, and you have to wait until the application is installed. Once the installation is completed, a box would appear saying to open the application, and I will guide you from there on. Okay, so now the application is installed and a shortcut has been created in your phone as well. So we are going to click on open and we will be taken through to the application, and then what you got to do is click on agree and continue, and then you need to select your country and select the phone number, type the phone number, and once you've selected the phone number and you've entered the phone number, then you will be prompted to enter a 6-digit code which would automatically get filled, and it will come to your SMS, the text messages, and it will automatically get filled up. So okay, so this is just skip that, and then you have to type your name here, and you can select a photograph from here, from your gallery or the camera, and you need to click on next, and that's about it, and WhatsApp is set up for you. So it's simple and it's easy. In my next video I will take you through a little bit of tips and a bit of hacks on how you could use WhatsApp. So here you have to invite your friends if you don't have any of the contacts. If you have contacts saved in your SIM card already, then those numbers, who have WhatsApp, they would appear in the screen over here. So you could invite your friends, and you could also type statuses, where my status, you just add, and you could type something or add a video or whatever that you want to. But remember, when you post a status, every single contact would see it. You could also make phone calls. Once you have friends, you will have an icon with the phone icon and a video icon. You just need to select your particular friend that you want to call and select whether it's going to be a video call or a voice call. So let me help you out with that as well in the next video. All right, hope this video was useful for you all. I'll see you with my next video. Bye bye.